Stories are not just told, they are experienced. At Scholars Global School, the grand celebration of Katha Yatra 2025, which is an annual feature, unfolded like a living story filled with laughter, learning, limitless imagination. For 3 magical days, the corridors transformed into vibrant realms of creativity where every child became a storyteller, artist, and a dreamer. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, A Principal's Diary by Poonam Saxena. To get into the insights of a life of a principal's diary will show how the journey continues. The journey began with our little champions from grade 2 and 3 who stepped into the enchanting world of tales through activities that blended joy with learning. From Kathakunj and Nature Mandala to art and craft, puppet shows, and exciting rabbit and tortoise race, each experience taught them the values of imagination, teamwork, and kindness. Their creativity sparkled as they shaped clay, decorated shoes, and shared stories through playful games and laughter. As the celebration continued, the young learners of grades 4 and 5 embarked on a thrilling adventure at the Katha Quest Barter Trade Fair and Book Fair. They brought stories to life with expressive interpretations, traded handmade treasures, and negotiated with confidence and creativity. The Zumba sessions added rhythm and joy. Each storytelling corner, art station, laughter-filled moment reflected the true spirit of learning through fun. What a great idea to have a bagless day. For grades 6 to 9, Katha Yatra evolved into a symphony of stories, smiles, and discovery. The grand book fair opened a universe of imagination, inviting students to wander through pages that whispered wisdom and wonder. Adding a royal touch to the celebration, a special workshop titled Quirky Stories of Indian Maharajas by renowned author Mr. Vikramjit Singh Rooprai transported our learners into palaces of wit, humor, and timeless lessons. The creative wave continued with games and challenges, science behind the myths, comic strip making, character mask designing, mini plays, time travel shows, each moment inspiring curiosity, collaboration, and confidence. In games and challenges, students tested their wit and teamwork through thought-provoking tasks that brought lessons to life beyond the classroom. Through science behind the myths, they explored the fascinating connection between traditional tales and science reasoning, discovering how imagination and logic beautifully intertwine. The comic strip making activity allowed budding artists to weave stories through illustrations, dialogues, turning ideas into vibrant visual narratives. Character mask making, conducted under the guidance of caricature experts, gave students a chance to step into shoes of their favorite story character, blending creativity with expression. In mini plays, young performers enacted timeless tales with emotion and confidence, learning the art of storytelling through drama. Finally, the time travel talk shows transported students across eras where they interacted with historical legends and visionaries. Exploring myths through science to reliving history through performance, students celebrated magic of stories in every form. This is Katha Yatra, where stories bloom, ideas soar, and creativity finds its voice. Excited to bring Katha Yatra to your school? Comment below and we will share all the details to help you organize this wonderful storytelling and creative experience. And this can be also a part of your bagless day activities. So please like, comment, share the video for more people to understand the thank